Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. If you're watching this right after I went live, I'm changing my live schedule. Videos are now going to go live at 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. Today, I'm going to be needing to plant plants because when we cut our field for our field out there, right there, yeah. When we did that, we cut too many trees down. We need to plant plants back, so that's what I'm doing today.
Three days later.
So, I need to carry that. Jesus, I need to carry those stuff towards my dock, way down there. To do that, I'm gonna be using my truck. I never really said what it was, so I don't think I did. It's a 1974 Ford F100 Ranger XLT. It has a 460 big block in it, if you know what that is. If you don't, look it up. Let's start it. Alright guys, so I'm in the truck now. So let's put this thing in reverse. Then in the drive. I'm on kind of a hill, gotta give it some gas. Plus I'm driving one-handed. Half pipes and stuff right there, so if you kind of get a general idea of where I am. Back up over there. Hey, quit that. I don't know what their deal is today. So I gotta get this box over there to the right now. Gotta get this tailgate down. Let's do that right now. Here's the box. It'll be right there. Boom. Drill. I'm gonna put it in there with me, but got the box in here. Let's shut this tailgate. Let's do that right. We're good to go. got stuff. I'm gonna put one of these every couple of inches, like about every foot or so. All in here. Some over there if I have to. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yet I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. You I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Alright guys, so I just got done planting all of the plants. I put them all out there. I put them all like I should have, all in the right spots and stuff, I think. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I love ya, and I'll see you next time. Roll the outro, bye-bye.